Hey guys, and welcome back. Right, time for a ride out, I think. It's a nice day, the sun's out, it's warm, and Sam's hot. So let's go and do a blast, shall we? Nice bit of traffic as well. Now we're on the Road Pilot 6 GTs. I'm currently clocking 6,400 miles on them. They are absolutely phenomenal. How they can keep on going and have the level of grip and yet the longevity. I mean, it looks as if they've hardly been used, but I tell you the truth, I'm on 6,401 miles now, and you just sit there and you just look at them and you go, damn, I'm gonna have some more. They're about the best tire I think I've ever used. The Stuttgart area. It's not an area that I've investigated much. Never really been a fan of Stuttgart, but the Black Forest, we can go around there and enjoy it. And there's some nice windy roads that way as well, apparently. And I cannot have a Mariva in front of me. And that's how Sam does it. She sings loud. Yeehaw! We're in the Hoyle. Now today I'm in Revit's, so the Revit denims, the RS gloves, RS jacket, Alpine Stars sport boot, and my BMW Flip System 7 Carbon. We got the sun till about, well, sunset's about 9, 8:30, 9 o'clock ish, so that won't be too bad, and means we get to have a little play. It's not as warm as I'd like it to be, but hey, I'm not complaining. I need to get past these cars because they are interfering with my airflow and irritating the crap out of me. Motorbike out on a learning test. I don't think the Golf is going to try pushing it, so as soon as I can see a nice bit of room, I'm going to have to hit him. Yep, that's exactly how I feel. Demling! Oh, come on, come on, come on. We do not want to go to Voiburg or Voberg or however you pronounce it. We do not want to go there, bro. We're screaming, and I got bugs committing suicide on my screen all the time, so don't complain about it. Bit of brake front and back. Not too heavy on the back brake because then you can make it skip out. Did that the other day, that was exciting. Methinks my sphincter flexed. There's a strange wind blowing today. Over the weekend I'm going to be doing France and Germany. So across the border into France, some of the little twisty roads around there, stop for a little bit of French cuisine. And then back into Germany. Beautiful scenery, huh? And good roads. Now I hope you guys didn't mind me doing the last video, Sam and then yours truly, seeing how I do, showing how I ride and what police training actually taught me. Steve Earls, who was my police trainer, was very much a hardened, seasoned professional, and he was using the early BMWs with the boxer engines, so that's what I learned to ride on. Well, put it this way, that's what I learned to pass my test on. He always said that you have to be able to enjoy being in the saddle. And from a work perspective, police can be in there for 8 to 12 hours. Not continuously, because they will get off, they will stretch, and they will have a break. But when you look at what it is they do, it is very much as you saw in the video. A lot of it is upper body movements, and it's counter steering. Counter steering is as proficient and as effective as hanging off a bike. Not always do you need to hang off a bike. In extreme circumstances and in extreme conditions, yes you do. Certain types of bikes, yes you do. K1600, no you don't. BMWs in general, touring bikes, no you don't. My S1000RR, oh hell yes you do. Yeah, you definitely need to hang off that one. That is a beast, and it's not fun. You make a mistake on that and it hurts.